Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, access settings and tap on display and brightness over here. Now choose adaptive brightness and click on this gray sweater to activate it. As you can see now, auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the sweater again. If you want to, you can always go into tap menu as well. And tap on this A icon next to brightness slider. If it's green, that means that auto brightness is on. You can turn it off by clicking on this same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!